China versus USA, ultimate smackdown. Who's got what it takes? Today we compare upstart China against established hegemon USA in drone technology. We'll start with the Chinese entry. What have the Chinese got to show us?
In Shenzhen, China, 7,598 drones lit up the night sky, setting a Guinness World Records title in the process. The display officially became the largest aerial image formed by drones, with more than double the number of drones used in the previous record. This breathtaking show was organised to celebrate the 72nd anniversary of Yanbi in Korean Autonomous Prefecture, with the drones provided by Shenzhen Demoda Intelligent Control Technology Company Limited. A single laptop was all it took to control the fleet, with the system monitoring each drone's status in real time. The drones shifted continuously across the night sky, forming iconic images like the Great Wall and a majestic dragon, while also paying tribute to Yanbian's unique culture, with depictions of the city flower, the azalea, and traditional dancers. Sit back and relax and enjoy the show.
Well, that was very impressive. The Americans have certainly got their work cut out for them, but I'm sure they'll rise to the challenge. Let's see the American entry.
Dominance, to bolster our drone industry and arm our warfighters, because that's what we're all about. So today I'm rescinding restrictive policies that stifle production, and this will unleash American manufacturing and the ingenuity of our warfighters by doing three key things. First, we're going to bolster the U.S. drone manufacturing base by producing thousands of American-made products, prioritizing Buy American. We'll arm combat units with a variety of low-cost, American-crafted drones, leveraging our world-leading engineers and AI experts. And third, we're going to train as we expect to fight. Senior officers, well, I'll grab this. It's the memo. Senior officers must overcome bureaucratic risk aversion in budgeting, weaponeering, and training. So here's the memo we're signing today, delivered via drones here on the front lawn of the Pentagon.